Right, this is Cheryl Selby-Spear. I am going to try and debug a small program for our web programming class. So first of all, I have what it is showing on my screen here. I'm going to go to Sources, and I'm going to look at my debugging tool. Flip to the JavaScript here. We're going to go to the last line here and add a debug. And in my watch, looks like I've already added my sort array here. So we've added sort array into my watch screen here. Alright, so we're going to start stepping into our code. We'll refresh. Okay, so we'll step in here. Now we're into our call stack here. We're showing sort arrays. Bring this over here so we can read it a little bit more. We're at our split here. Alright, right now it's looking like our return value of array is only showing a length of 1, even though I should have a large number in here. So we know that something's wrong with our array here. Alright, and we're back into that. So let's go to our JavaScript here and step through here. It looked like our sort array was not the correct value. Oh, and then we're not splitting anything here. So we're going to, we have our array down here. We want to split it by at each of the commas. So we'll add our comma here. And save that. We'll move this out of the way and see if that helps. Alright, so we're going to pause that. We're going to refresh. Let's run to our console here for a second. Refresh it again. Let's undebug here. And now we're showing an array of 6, and we are sorted. So we were just missing in our split array here. We forgot to where we wanted to split it in there. We got a little syntax there, and now our code is working again. And we were able to see that when we saw our sort array of having only a number of 1 instead of having a number of 6 like it should have. And now we can see that our length is 6 instead of 1.